Part B asks you to estimate f of 3.7 using your results from Part A. So remember that the Taylor polynomial is a really good approximation for our function when we're near x equals 3. So we're going to use that Taylor polynomial to estimate the value of our function. This is a calculator question for sure. I'm not asking you to do this in your head. This is a good chance to remind you that you can define a function on your calculator by typing it into a graphing window, and then you can use bars to get that function again, or you can do you can also define it by doing p parentheses x colon equals, and then typing the equation, and then you can just do p of 3.7. It's good to use your tools, so that would be one way to use your calculator. When I used my Taylor polynomial at 3.7, I got 1.3101. Remember that you always have to be correct to 3 places to the right of the decimal, so the College Board would accept 1.310 as an answer for that. This is an estimate of f of 3.7 because our Taylor polynomial approximates that function.